Seagull watch. This is a woman's chronograph watch. It's using Seagull traditional chronograph movements ST1901. The bezel is with bling bling rhinestone. It's shining under light. And the dial is with Fritillary white. You can see it's colorful in different angle. This is chronograph second hand button. You press this. This is chronograph second hands, and this is the chronograph minutes small dial. And you press it again, it stop. And this is the back to zero button. Press it, back to zero. The back side of the watch is see-through skeleton tab. And you can see there are a few small words here. And it is D4267 China Air Force. And the words below here is Tian-jin Watch factory. The diameter for this watch is 36 mm, and it's using 80 mm watch bed. It's very elegant and beautiful.